Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will let you know how to remove permanent marker from plastics. Find a dry erase marker. The color does not matter, although you may want to consider using a darker colored marker. This method works exceptionally well on dry erase boards and is safe to use on smooth plastic surfaces. Draw over the stain with the dry erase marker. Dry erase markers contain solvents which help dissolve the permanent marker. Wipe the area clean with a soft cloth. The permanent marker stain should come off with the cloth and dry erase marker. Use some glass cleaner if you can't remove the dry erase marker. If for some reason the dry erase marker dried up and you are unable to wipe it off and thus the permanent marker, try spraying the area with a glass cleaner and then wiping it off with a paper towel. Thank you for watching this video. For more informative videos, please like, share and subscribe our channel.